Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you all fine. In today's video we'll talk about Moringa. Moringa, the tree of miracle. It is also known as the Ben oil tree. And this tree is also known as heaven's tree. Moringa has used for centuries due to its medical properties, health benefits. It is also has antifungal, antiviral. The tree is native to India but also grown in Asia, Africa and South America. Moringa contains a variety of protein, vitamins and minerals. Now we talk about its health benefit. Moringa contains many healthful compounds such as vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, folic acid, calcium. It is also used for healthy bones, potassium, iron, magnesium and zinc. It is also extremely low in fats and contains no harmful cholesterol. Now we talk about the benefits of Moringa. Moringa is believed to have many benefits. Its uses range from health and beauty to helping prevent, cure diseases. Moringa protecting and moisturizing skin and hair. Moringa seed oil is beneficial for protecting hairs against free radicals and keep it clean and healthy, which also boosts the skin and hair. It can be successful in damaged skin, infections and sores. Moringa is also protecting our liver against damage caused by drugs and quicken its repair process. Moringa is also preventing us from cancer. Moringa extracts contain properties that might help prevent cancer developing. Moringa is also used in stomach diseases. The powder of Moringa is very helpful for the stomach diseases. Due to antibacterial, antifungal and antibacterial properties, Moringa extract might combat infections. Moringa also contains calcium, which helps keep bones healthy and strong. Along with the antibacterial extract might help to treat our stomach. Moringa is very helpful for our health. This tree has many benefits. Moringa may help reduce the attack of asthma. So asthma patients can also use the oil of Moringa tree. Moringa tree might help person's body to healthy. It keeps us healthy. Moringa have many benefits. So we can use the powder, the oil, the leaf